to start one, you just simply go to the plus button, go to new session, give your session a name. In this case, I will call it Pulaski. You'll be able to, at this point, make sure that you can look at what the options are for people who will be using it. You can set expiration dates if you want this only to go for a certain period of time. And you can restrict who actually gets to attend this or doesn't. And then it's very simple and straightforward. You go to add. In this case, I'm going to select a PDF. You'll see the PDF is named here. That's what it is. Click OK. And within just a minute or two, everything gets updated. You can see the attendees. At this point, I can now send an invitation to anybody that I'd like. It could be internal, it could be external. I can do it in one of two ways. The first way is I can click on their name here and call it and add their email address. And then you click OK, and it will send them an email. You can see. Okay, let me do it to myself. It'll bring that up here, and at this point I can actually change, add, go to my address book, but in this case we'll delete it. The other way that I can do it is actually to send them an email from my own email address. Click on this copy invitation, and then go to Outlook, create a new email, and I can actually just paste that here. And what this will do is this will give them a URL hyperlink that they'll just have to click on. It'll give them the Studio ID session, which is or session ID, which is a different way to add or join. And then I can hit send, and then it'll come directly from my email address. I tend to do a little bit of overkill and send both. But go ahead and click OK to that, and everything will get sent off to them. You can see here that this green bar is almost done, which means our first PDF is almost done loading. And when that happens, yep, there we go.